Hello everyone, today I will tell you about my Egyptian hotel Rixos Sharm El Sheikh. We have analyzed thousands of tourist reviews about this hotel, so we definitely have something to tell you. Let's go. First, as usual, a little general information about the hotel. Rixos Sharm El Sheikh, this is really the hotel that deserves your attention. Its rating is 4.9 on Charcoal, 9.3 on Bookings, and 5 points flat on TripAdvisor. This hotel is only for adults from 16 years old, so you can expect a calm and quiet vacation. From the first steps, you are met by a huge and chic territory with many palm trees, flowering plants, swimming pools, and a lot of entertainment. The stunning beach will allow you to enjoy the Egyptian sun and enjoy snorkeling or diving. Luxurious and comfortable rooms equipped with everything you need are just awaiting your arrival. Great shows and parties await you in the evening, and the amazing service will help you relax and enjoy your vacation. In addition, you can try delicious dishes from different cuisines of the world in the a la carte restaurants. If you want to spend an unforgettable vacation in Egypt, Rixos Sharm El Sheikh is the right place for you. To find out the cost of accommodation and book a room in this hotel, you can follow the links in the description and in the attached comment under this video. Well, and right now I will tell you about all the pros and cons of this hotel. But before I start, I want to ask you to subscribe to our channel and support this video with likes and comments. Thank you. The beach at Rixos Sharm El Sheikh is a wonderful place to relax and enjoy the sea and sun. The beach is equipped with everything you need, and the sea here is incredibly beautiful, with clear water and stunning corals. However, the beach is not at all suitable for swimming, as the bottom is completely stony and you can only enter the water from a long pier. However, the pier is often closed due to waves, and the strong current makes swimming unsafe. During my entire stay, I was unable to swim for most of my vacation, as either the waves were too strong or the strong current precluded swimming. But this is a feature of the region, not the hotel itself, so I won't say it's a minus. It is nice that there are lifeguards constantly on duty on the beach, watching for the safety of guests. When the sea is calm, snorkeling here is just wonderful. The underwater world amazes with its diversity, and observation of fish and corals becomes a real adventure. However, if you are coming to Egypt for a quiet swim in the sea, this beach may disappoint. Friends, is it a significant drawback for you or not? Write your opinion in the comments. Despite such features, the sea view and the unique atmosphere of the beach make this place special. I enjoyed my time here even if I couldn't swim as often as I would have liked. Well, after walking on the beach, I'm already a bit hungry, so let's go to the restaurant. And on the way, I will tell you a little bit and show you the hotel grounds. The territory of the hotel Rixos Sharm El Sheikh left me with extremely positive impressions. The hotel is very beautiful, clean, and well-maintained, which creates an amazing atmosphere of relaxation. You can feel the care in every detail here, from the green gardens to the neat pathways. This hotel is ideal for adults, offering the perfect blend of tranquility and luxury. The grounds have everything you need for a comfortable stay, from restaurants and bars to relaxation areas. However, the pools, while very nice, prove to be quite cold, which discourages swimming in them a little. In addition, there are often not enough sunbeds at the pools, which sometimes causes inconvenience. The hotel is located in a rather windy area, which is especially noticeable in the evenings, but this is again a feature of the region, not a shortcoming of the hotel. Despite these nuances, the overall impression of the area remains extremely positive. The well-maintained and high level of cleanliness make this hotel a great place to relax and unwind. Well, I showed you the territory, swimming pools, and now I suggest going to the main restaurant and see what we will be fed. I was very impressed with the food at the Rixos Sharm El Sheikh Hotel. The food here was excellent, and the a la carte restaurants added to the sophistication of my vacation. I tried the Brazilian and fish restaurants, and both were wonderful. I especially liked the sushi restaurant where everything was excellent. However, I personally had difficulty making reservations at the a la carte restaurants. This caused some inconvenience, especially on days when I wanted to try something special, like BBQ. Every dish felt like high-quality ingredients, and the service was top-notch. The main restaurant offered a wide range of local and international cuisine, and all the dishes were delicious. The buffet was also top-notch. The food is always fresh, varied, and incredibly tasty. The desserts looked attractive, but their taste was disappointing. They clearly do not reach the overall level of cuisine. Despite the minor flaws, the overall quality of the food was amazing. I was delighted with the variety of dishes and the overall level of service in the restaurants. The food at this hotel was one of the best compared to other hotels I have been to. If you have already vacationed in the Hotel Rixos with Sharm El Sheikh, share your impressions in the comments. I will be glad to discuss. We have seen the main restaurant? Well, now it's time to look into the room and show you it. The rooms at the Rixos Hotel Sharm El Sheikh made a very good impression on me. They are spacious, stylish, and incredibly comfortable, which immediately creates a feeling of luxury. The facilities in my room were also top-notch, and I felt most comfortable here. I did have a problem with the internet connection once, but the staff responded promptly. They brought an extra router to the room, and the problem was solved. However, there were some minor flaws. The towels in the room were not changed once, which was a little disappointing. Also, the shower in the bathroom was leaking, which made it inconvenient to use. But, frankly speaking, these are small things, and despite them, the overall impression of the room remained very positive. The spaciousness and comfort made the vacation especially pleasant, and the attention of the staff to resolve issues only increased the positive emotions. The room was a great place to relax after a busy day. It is a place where it is really pleasant to be. Entertainment in the Hotel Rixos Sharm El Sheikh is very bright and interesting. Every evening there are great shows and events, which always please with variety. The programs change every day, which makes the rest saturated and interesting. I especially like the beautiful and expensive concerts, which create a sense of celebration. Entertainment is organized very thoughtfully and qualitatively. Guests have the opportunity to enjoy many different activities, from dance shows to live music. The atmosphere at the evening events is always friendly and fun, which allows you to fully immerse yourself in the vacation. I also like that the entertainment programs are suitable for both couples, single tourists, and large families. Everyone will find something to their liking, whether it's energetic shows or relaxing music nights. This is one of the best places where I really enjoyed every moment of my vacation. You will definitely not be bored at this hotel. The service at the Rixos Sharm El Sheikh Hotel leaves an extremely positive feeling. Every employee with whom I interacted was incredibly friendly, attentive, and ready to help in any situation. This attitude immediately makes you feel like you are welcome here. The staff speaks English very well, which makes communication easy and pleasant. The attention and care of the staff is evident in everything, whether it's serving in the restaurants, helping at the reception, or working at the pool. They always strive to satisfy guests and make their vacation as comfortable as possible. I was particularly impressed with how the team works cohesively to deal with any circumstance. The service is top-notch. Everything is done quickly, efficiently, and with a genuine smile. I was pleased to observe their friendliness and professionalism in every interaction. Every staff member, without exception, behaved in a courteous and helpful manner that enhanced the overall impression of the hotel. Their willingness to help and attention to detail make a vacation at this hotel truly unforgettable. I felt completely comfortable here due to their efforts and care. The service at the hotel is one of the strengths of Rixos with Sharm El Sheikh, which makes the vacation here simply amazing. Friends, let's summarize. The Rixos with Sharm El Sheikh is one of the best adults-only hotels in Egypt, and it's highly rated for a reason. The hotel has a stunning coral reef, a magnificent well-groomed territory, delicious cuisine both in the main restaurant and in a la carte restaurants. Hotel Rixos with Sharm El Sheikh has delightful, luxurious rooms in which you will be comfortable to relax. And what service in the hotel? You will feel truly welcome.